Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up Hey Google on Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, open up your Google application right here. Find your profile picture at the top right corner. Go to the settings. Now in your settings, find your Google Assistant tab right here and find your Hey Google and voice match. So to start using Hey Google, simply press on the switch, and now you'll start a process of calibrating it. So scroll down, read the agreement, press I agree or not thanks depending on your choice. And now let's calibrate our voice match. Okay, press next. Now our Google Assistant is on. So first of all, we can train this voice match model, which I recommend you to do. So simply press here and repeat the phrases. For example, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, explain how the rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, so now our Hey Google is calibrated. Okay, so let's try using it. Hey Google, what's the weather today in Prague?
It is currently 4:06 p.m. Central Europe summertime. According to the
Okay, and as you see, we've got our answer and it works perfectly. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.